Hi friends, welcome to Gyan Ganga e-learning platform. Our today's topic is on the notice which III has shared on the website. So today's date is 9th March 2021. Let's see the exam notice which is published on the website. So we are opening that notice. Okay. Last time many students have submitted the hard copies directly to the headquarter, as well as few students have sent it through the courier and few through the mail. Okay. So today they have shared the list of 290 subjects. Okay. Of which the assignment of September 2020 is not reached to the website. So let's see the go through the notice which is shared on the website. So let's read it. III Indian Institute of Industrial Engineering exam section note. Following candidates have not submitted their hard copy of the September 2020 assignment to III National Headquarter as on date. मतलब 9 मार्च 2021 तक नीचे दिए हुए लोगों ने असाइनमेंट सबमिट नहीं किए. फॉलोइंग कैंडिडेट्स आर हियरबाय इन्फॉर्म्ड टू सबमिट दी कंसर्न सब्जेक्ट असाइनमेंट टू नेशनल ट्रिपल आई हेडक्वार्टर बाय कुरियर or post on or before March 2000, 13th March 2021. So one more golden chance is given by the institute to the student. So this time they have taken the decision in favor of students. So students are very lucky. So this let us go through the complete list of the preliminary students who have to submit the assignment. Okay, we'll go slow by slow, so that once the list is removed from the website also, student can refer this list and they can get the information if they miss to see the list after few days from the website. Okay, so 114 subjects. Okay, 114 subjects assignment is not received to the institute. Okay, so in section A, okay, in section A, 87 subjects are there whose assignment is not submitted to the institute. So one more good news and opportunity is given to the students to submit the assignment as early as possible, that is before 13th of March 2021. These assignments are of September 2020 exam. Students who have got 0 marks in September exam, they have to submit the assignment if their name is seen in this list. So same way we'll see the section B. In section B, 84 students subjects are there. Students and subjects are there who have not submitted the September 2020 assignment. Okay, so these students have to submit the assignment on or before 13th of March 2021. So more 4 days are there for the students to submit the assignment. So this is a golden opportunity. Students should not miss it and they have to do it as early as possible. ये नोटिस स्टूडेंट के पास से मिस ना हो इसके लिए रिकॉर्ड करके यूट्यूब पे डाल रहे हैं ताकि आगे जाके इफ वो लिंक चली भी गई वेबसाइट से तो स्टूडेंट इसको रिफर कर सकते हैं. दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.